Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Path of Exile. First, download the game client, which is completely free to play. You can find it on the official website or through popular digital storefronts. Next, choose a league. New players usually begin in the current Challenge League for a fresh start and active community. Finally, select one of the 7 character classes, each offering unique starting attributes and ascendancy options later on. After selecting your character, you will receive your initial skill and support gems. Skill gems are your active abilities like Fireball or Cleave, and they gain experience as you defeat enemies. Support gems, on the other hand, link to your active skills, modifying them significantly. For example, a lesser multiple projectiles support gem could make your Fireball shoot 3 projectiles instead of 1, greatly increasing its effectiveness. Path of Exile features an incredibly deep passive skill tree, containing over 1,300 nodes. You earn passive points by leveling up and completing quests, which you then spend to customize your character's stats, defenses, and damage. Additionally, understanding item modifiers is crucial. Every piece of gear has random properties that can dramatically boost your character's power, offering unique combinations for offense and defense. Your journey begins by progressing through 10 distinct acts of story content, each with unique environments and challenging bosses. Once you complete the main story, the true endgame begins with mapping. This involves exploring randomly generated areas, collecting valuable loot, and facing increasingly difficult encounters. Trading with other players is also a fundamental aspect, allowing you to acquire powerful items and currency to further enhance your build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.